Hey y'all, I'm Hisha, the founder of DIY Entrepreneurs and the lead facilitator for the Scale Up Sessions. With over 15 years of experience as a bookkeeper, starting with QuickBooks Desktop and now specializing in QuickBooks Online, I've helped small business owners set up and manage their QuickBooks Online system. I also teach QuickBooks Online for a local business accelerator program. And based on the experience of some of the entrepreneurs I've worked with, I've created the Start to Scale program to provide trusted and practical insights to help you set up your QuickBooks Online financial management system on your own. By setting up your QuickBooks Online system yourself, you grow confidence with your business and you become more familiar when you're ready to bring on a bookkeeper or a CPA. So let's dive into today's topic. Today, I'll be showing you how to categorize your transactions in QuickBooks Online. Properly categorizing your transactions is essential for keeping your financial data organized and accurate. To get started with categorizing your transactions, we're going to head to the banking or transactions section for your QuickBooks dashboard. Here you'll see three main tabs: for review, categorized, and excluded. The for review tab is where all of your uncategorized transactions go. Once they are downloaded or uploaded from your bank account, this is where you will see those transactions, the ones that need to be categorized. The Categorize tab is once you have assigned those categories to your transactions, they will be moved into your Categorize tab. And then last but not least, excluded is for any transactions that you don't want to include in your financial records. These may include duplicated transactions, but all new transactions appear under the For Review tab. Those are the ones that you're going to be categorizing. So let's walk through categorizing a transaction. To start, you want to select the transaction from the For Review tab. Then you'll select the vendor name or add that vendor to your records or the customer related to that transaction. You'll choose the appropriate category, such as expenses, income, or assets. You can also add a note or a memo for additional details. This ensures that your transactions are accurately recorded, which is essential for generating those reliable financial reports you're always going to hear me talk about. To save time, you can also automate the categorization process by using bank rules for recurring transactions. For example, let's say you pay rent every month to the same vendor. Instead of manually categorizing that transaction each month, you could create a rule that automatically categorizes it as a rent expense whenever it appears in your bank feed. Bank rules are a great way to streamline your bookkeeping and make sure transactions are consistently categorized. To recap, categorizing your transactions is a key part of keeping your QuickBooks Online system organized. By regularly reviewing the For Review tab, categorizing your transactions, and implementing bank rules to automate this process, you'll stay on top of your financial data. If you want to dive deeper into managing your finances with QuickBooks Online, join me at the QuickBooks Online Scale Up Sessions, where I provide step-by-step guidance to helping you set up and manage your system. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you next time.